My name is Samkai. I'm 6 years old. I am in class 75A. Nice to meet you. Today I will talk about my favorite animal in the farm. This is a dog. The dog is very cute. It has 2 eyes, 1 nose, and 1 mouth. I like the dog so much because the dog is so cute. And when I was little, I have a dog. His name is Cookie. And I'll play with the dog all day long. Sometimes my dad kicked the dog. But when I go home, I play with my dog because my dog is so cute. And my dog is very funny, but sometimes he's very naughty. But when I brought my friend to my house, but suddenly when I really want to go to the bathroom, but when I open the door, I see Cookie make a mess in the bathroom. So he's very naughty. So I put the Cookie in Grandma's house and Grandpa's house. But sometimes I go to meet my Grandma and Grandpa's house. Then I see Cookie. I meet Cookie because it's okay, no problem. I will talk about myself. Because Cookie is so cute and I love him so much. That's all I want to share. Thank you for listening and goodbye.